What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change the text messages notification sound in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open Messages app. Now click on your profile icon and then click on Messages settings. Now here click on General and then click on Notifications. Now here in App Notifications, scroll down and click on Notification Categories, and then in Notification Categories click on Incoming Messages. Now click on Sound, and from here you can change the text messages notification sound. So this is the list of sounds that you can use, so just simply tap on a sound to select, and after selecting, that sound will be selected as the notification sound for text messages. So that's how you can change the text messages notification sound in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.